space, also known as outer space, is the near vacuum between celestial bodies. It is where everything that is, all planets, stars, galaxies, and other objects are found. On Earth, space begins at the Kármán line, which is 100 kilometers above sea level. This is where Earth's atmosphere is said to stop and outer space begins. This is not a natural boundary, but is a convention used by scientists and diplomats. We will do a detailed video about space and its objects. Stay tuned for that. Here we are showing some beautiful images of outer space which have some relevance. Welcome to The Amazing Facts. Stay tuned. 10 stunning images of space. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 10. Iridescent glory of nearby Helix Nebula. This photograph of the coil-shaped Helix Nebula is one of the largest and most detailed celestial images ever made. The image shows a fine web of filamentary bicycle spoke features embedded in the colorful red and blue gas ring, which is one of the nearest planetary nebulae to Earth. Because the nebula is nearby, it appears as nearly 1/2 the diameter of the full moon. Number 9. Interacting Spiral Galaxies NGC 2207 and IC 2163. In the direction of the constellation Canis Major, two spiral galaxies pass by each other like majestic ships in the night. The near collision has been caught in images taken by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and its Wide-Field Planetary Camera 2. The larger and more massive galaxy is cataloged as NGC 2207 on the left in the Hubble Heritage image, and the smaller one on the right is IC 2163. Strong tidal forces from NGC 2207 have distorted the shape of IC 2163, flinging out stars and gas into long streamers stretching out 100,000 light-years toward the right-hand edge of the image. Number 8. Detail of Saturn's rings and shadow. The rings of Saturn are a series of planetary rings that orbit the planet Saturn. They consist largely of ice and dust particles. Saturn, second largest planet of the solar system in mass and size, and the sixth nearest planet in distance to the Sun. In the night sky, Saturn is easily visible to the unaided eye as a non-twinkling point of light. When viewed through even a small telescope, the planet encircled by its magnificent rings is arguably the most sublime object in the solar system. Number 7. Exploding Star. This is an amazing photo of a string of pearls surrounding an exploding star. Number 6. A collection of galaxies. A stunning image of collection of galaxies from the Hubble Ultra Deep Field image. Number 5. The Catscene Nebula. A nebula is an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen gas and plasma. It is the first stage of a star's cycle. The Catscene Nebula is a planetary nebula in the northern constellation of Draco, discovered by William Herschel on February 15, 1786. Number 4. The Eskimo Nebula. The Eskimo Nebula, also known as the Clown-Faced Nebula, is a bipolar double-shell planetary nebula. The formation resembles a person's head surrounded by a Parker hood. It is surrounded by gas that composed the outer layers of a sun-like star. The visible inner filaments are ejected by a strong wind of particles from the central star. The outer disk contains unusual, light-year-long filaments. Number 3. Supernova. A supernova is the explosion of a star. It is the largest explosion that takes place in space. A supernova happens where there is a change in the core, or center, of a star. A change can occur in two different ways, with both resulting in a supernova. This is a photograph taken by the Hubble telescope. Number 2. Mercury and Transit. A transit of Mercury across the Sun takes place when the planet Mercury passes directly between the Sun and a superior planet, becoming visible against the solar disk. During a transit, Mercury appears as a tiny black dot moving across the disk of the Sun. Number 1. The Pillars of Creation. Pillars of Creation is a photograph taken by the Hubble Space Telescope of elephant trunks of interstellar gas and dust in the Helix Nebula, specifically the Saturns constellation, some 6,500 to 7,000 light-years from Earth. They are so named because the gas and dust are in the process of creating new stars, while also being eroded by the light from nearby stars that have recently formed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest notifications.